Hello guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I'm going to show you how to optimize Roblox Studio performance on low-end PCs. Okay, so just open up Roblox Studio and I'm going to show you where to navigate. So once in here, click on File and open the Studio settings. Alright, and we're looking for this window. Now select the Rendering tab down below and locate Editor Quality Level and edit this quality level. And change these parameters from the automatic to level 1. There you go, level 1. If you have one, just set it, edit this one. Then go to the graphics mode. Click on here. And in here choose either Vulkan or DirectX 11. I recommend Vulkan. It's good for both GPUs on NVIDIA and AMD. And that's it guys, so these are my recommendations. Try them out and see how your performance improves in real time. That's it for this video guys. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see some more Roblox tutorials, and see you in the next one.